These charts prove how much deep value there is in the crypto space. In light green, we see the price of Solana. In brown, we see the active users on Solana, right? So the price has been falling recently, active users skyrocketing. What makes Solana valuable? The active users, they're skyrocketing. So from a fundamental perspective, the Solana network gets more valuable. In dark green, we see the active users on the Ton blockchain, Telegram's blockchain. And in yellow, we see the price, which is keeping up, but not quite reflecting the massive growth on the Ton blockchain. And then we have Bitcoin finally reaching that bearish sentiment level in the on-chain data, which marks bottoms usually. When does Bitcoin skyrocket? When there's very few people left chasing it, right? When everyone's been washed out. So in this chart, you see whenever this indicator, which is the crypto quant Bitcoin bull bear market cycle indicator, whenever it hits a high level, meaning it's overheated and we're due for a pullback, it's in red. That's what we saw in March 2024. Look at where it is now. It's in the deep value zone. What happens whenever it hits here? We're bottoming in the price of Bitcoin. If you've been following along for the past few years, you remember how accurate these indicators were. Whenever I pointed them out, it was like, we're bottoming, we're bottoming. We actually did bottom, right? That was when Bitcoin was 24K. Now we're in that deep oversold territory again. Massive. Then we have the internet computer with 8.3 million new ICP locked away for 8 years in the last 12 months. So with ICP, you can stake your tokens for 8 years, meaning you can't touch them for 8 years. If you do that, you're going to get passive income rewards. It also means there's less ICP available for sale, which means the supply is getting scarcer and scarcer, right? So in the last 12 months, there's been 8 million ICP locked away. What happens as that trend continues? People lock away more and more and more ICP for the long term, right? They're hugely incentivized to do that with passive staking rewards. So this trend may continue, and that's going to cause a supply crunch in ICP.